Hi, my name is Nicholas Papagallo, and today I'm going to show you a new convenient tool made by Savage to keep your backdrops hanging smooth. The Savage Background Leader Bar is a lightweight, thin aluminum bar available in multiple sizes. It easily snaps onto the bottom edge of your paper or any backdrop material. The leader bar acts as a weight to keep the background hanging smooth and taut. This helps eliminate the appearance of any wrinkles and also keeps the bottom edge from curling up or ripping. So this is going to fix one of the challenges we have in the studio with our backdrops mounted on the wall. Occasionally the paper will tear on the bottom and flip over the top, which will ruin many feet of paper. If you like sweeping your backdrop out onto the floor, the leader bar is still a nice accessory to use to keep the front end from curling up and also helps give the set a professional and sleek look for your clients. To secure the leader bar to your backdrop, simply line up the leader bar to the bottom edge of the backdrop and snap it closed. It really is that easy. This is an essential tool to keep your Savage seamless paper in great shape and maintain a clean and professional looking studio. Thank you for watching.